So we're going to look at an incredible Wix feature called automations. And you can find it here on the dashboard when you go to custom management on the left side. And you click automations. Now I've currently got two automations active and I'll just run you through one of them. So I'm going to click over here and I'm going to click edit. The first thing I would do is I would name what this automation is for. So this automation is a reply email every time somebody signs up for my mailing list. So let's have a look at the trigger. So whenever they sign up, they're going to sign up to a Wix form. And I've chosen that a specific form. And over here, you can actually select multiple different types of form options. And I've got the sign up to the mailing list form selected. And then I'm going to send an email to the contact. So whenever somebody signs up to the mailing list, they're going to get an automated email reply. So there's the action here, which is to send an email to the contacts. And I'll show you my template quickly. So I just say, thanks for subscribing. Sign up to the members area to access the free courses. So let's give that a try. So I go to my website here. And after a period of time, the lightbox will turn up. All right, so let's put in my email address here. And I'm going to submit this form. And now let's have a look at my email. And I've got the automated triggered reply here, which is a thank you for subscribing. Sign up to access the free courses. And when I click this, I turn up to the free courses page and I can sign up. So automations is a very useful tool to help save you time and energy. I'm going to just save this for now. Let's have a look at the next section, timing. So I'm going to limit the frequency of the trigger to be once per contact, and I'm going to save that. You can actually take these forms and you can duplicate them, rename them, edit them, and things like that. Let's have a look at this other one. I'm going to actually just change the name. I'm going to name it contact form. So for this one, I'm going to use multiple options here. If anybody contacts or if I have any subscribers, this form will actually get triggered. So it's going to send an email. It's going to be a thank you email. I'll just show you my template that I've created. So it says, thanks for subscribing. And it just asks the person what would they like to learn as an online music course. And then I ask them to reply, something personal. I'm going to have this trigger immediately after an email is sent. And then I'm going to limit the frequency to once per contact. And I'm going to save that. If I wanted to do more automations, I can, but I'd have to upgrade to an Ascend plan. So this is really a wonderful tool to help you to automate your replies or just to get actions going whenever you have any kind of contact from customers. So let's go into our editor and let's look at how we can see these form submissions in our editor. So let's go to the contact form, for example. And let's go to form settings. And so I can change the name of the form over here under settings. And if I go here to the automations, I click form name, I can see that this is the form name. This is how I can know what I'm assigning my trigger to. Now I also recommend going to the submissions table and just click create submissions table over here. This will allow you to navigate the information in your dashboard. And I'm going to click publish. So now if I go to my dashboard here and I click here on the left side under form submissions, I'm able to view the table and I can see any contact that has happened within this table over here. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for the subscribers form here at the bottom. I'm going to create a submissions table here. And I'm going to create one for my Lightbox. So I click here on the Get Subscribers, click on Form Settings over here. Settings, Submissions Table, Create Submissions Table. And I'm going to click Publish. So like this now, when I go to Form Submissions, I can view the table to see anytime a subscriber's signed up, it will give me the data of that person. And if you want, you can also get to the automations section from here on the left side here, and you can set up a thank you email or whatever you want. So go ahead, give it a try, set up an automation for your subscribers or for your contact forms, and connect with your customers immediately after they connect with you.